Say, I'm covered in cherry pie and cheese. Damn a mess. Mama gave me a special snack because I was such a good boy today, and now I'm a mess. I do mess. You're a beautiful boy, though. Look at all that cherry pie and cheese on you. What you doing, honey bears? Say, Mama. Mama. You ornery little thing. You're so ornery. Say, Mama. Oh, look, we got a good view of your teeth. Here, let's get in there. Cohen, look at Mama's. Look at Mama's. Where's your teeth? Give me a good view of your teeth, baby boy. Cohen, where are you at? Oh, you're getting cheese on Daddy's phone. Let me see your teeth. Where are your teeth? Cohen. What's it doing? Oh, honey. Okay, say bye-bye. Cohen, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Cohen. Cohen, say bye-bye. Are you smashing it? What are you doing? What are you doing? You ornery little thing. We got pie everywhere. There's pie everywhere. All right, I'll let you watch your wiggles. I'm in your way. Say bye-bye.